Let's go. Hey. That's wrong. Yeah. Eclatreasure. Yeah. Everybody living now, I'm feeling lonely. All my life is mess cause it's moving slowly. Everybody living now, I'm feeling lonely. All my life is mess cause it's moving slowly. They say I'm lonely when I think about it. They never live my life so I'm blessed about it. Everybody living now, I'm feeling lonely. All my life is mess cause it's moving slowly. They say I'm lonely when I think about it. They never live my life so I'm blessed about it. Everybody living now, I'm feeling lonely. All my life is mess cause it's moving slowly. I can never quit cause I'm blessed about it. I'm trying to show the world that I'm in, and nobody know my struggle. Dear God, can they really feel my pain? I'm looking out to my broken self. No lies, no talking, stop it. I don't wanna play no games. I got my life in my hand like I'm Zeus. I'm trying to chase my dream to the goal now. I'm the real one, nobody break me. You break my heart, I'm coming at you. Shots fired, now you going down. Hold me tight, I wanna be myself. You told they lie, I'm trying to teach you down. They say I'm lonely when I think about it. They never live my life, so I'm blessed about it. Everybody living now, I'm feeling lonely. All my life is mess cause it's moving slowly. They say I'm lonely when I think about it. They never live my life, so I'm blessed about it. Everybody living now, I'm feeling lonely. All my life is mess cause it's moving slowly. Oh goddamn, protect me, yeah. When I die in peace, my enemies, yeah. I'm mocking me, they laugh and leave it. Mlhp did, my mama leave it. My daddy leave, don't part with me, yeah. I'm talking too much, is that every night I can't sleep. My question is, why I'm living like this? Reply my shit, why I'm living like this? I'm feeling lonely, I'm feeling lonely. Why you took my mom, why you took my daddy? This life is such a mess, I can't live like daddy. This life is such a mess, I can't live like daddy. Hey, what? I can live like daddy. Let's go. They say I'm lonely when I think about it. They never live my life, so I'm blessed about it. Everybody living now, I'm feeling lonely. All my life is mess cause it's moving slowly. They say I'm lonely when I think about it. They never live my life, so I'm blessed about it. Everybody living now, I'm feeling lonely. All my life is mess cause it's moving slowly. Yeah. Hey. Yes, Lord! What's up, everybody? It's your boy Casserole. I'm by Eclatreasure, all the way from Nongo. Ngokuhlala semandeni. Wethu ngizokhuluma kakhulu ngokuhlukumezeka kwabantu besifazane. You can abuse someone you love. Umbuzo umile. Ngeke ukwazi ukuhlukumeza umuntu omthandayo. Besifazane babalekile. Bayenzala abantu bayimbokodo.
All right, my name is Eclatreasure. I just want to pass a simple message. You know, women are the flowers of this world. So as South African or as a black person, you gotta think and you gotta think critically. So you can't abuse a woman because sometimes she carries your seed. Sometimes they provide for us. So please, guys, women and children are so important. If you hit a woman, it means you are ending this world because without them, we are nothing. Thank you so much. Shout out to Mandeni House
Lockdown House Party. Hey, shout out to the great LG. Shout out to Young Slim.
Grade one.
Hey.
Yeah, your ticket to cry. You call my number, my dignity price.
Hey.
If I'm winning, my spirit tonight.
What?
Open the gates and broken the chains.
Hey.
Let me be happy for a couple of days. I've been hustling for days.
Hey.
When it's the right time to pray. I've done good like an angel. I've done good like an angel. I've been hustling for days. When it's the right time to pray. I work and call you later. I work and call you later.
I've been suffering for better life with no plans. I see the people always laugh when I do my raps. Nobody care where I do something like it's bad. Look at now, 2020 got a vision. I've been a mission. You never catch my melody, you wanna catch my lyrics. They told me never do this rap shit that never fits in. I've been struggling for everything, so look at me up. I'm like this Montana shit, so I'm on the way up.
I've been hustling for days, when it's the right time to pray. I've done good like an angel. I've done good like an angel. I've been hustling for days, when it's the right time to pray. I work and call you later. I work and call you later.
Yeah, Giado, that's a green light. I feel the past trying to come up. I wouldn't care about what they wanna say. I'm on a double mode. It's either I win or fade. I need to cool down and get my mind straight. I've been praying hard. Sometimes I feel powerless. How will I live or how long will I suffer? I wanna thank God for making me the real one, the strong-minded. I'm never giving up when the times are tough. Giado, God knows paving ways. It's another time for another race. A 2020 vision dead cause of disease. I'm locked up on a lockdown. I feel the world going down. Coronavirus, it's another phase or another challenge. Bring me back to life, I just wanna breathe again. I said, dear God, dear God, can you really hear me?
Hold on, I'ma call you later. Yeah, I got time, but I'm just trying to get this pay. You say I'm making different, but I'm reminiscing the times we stuck together. I guess you thought I lied when I said I got forever. I'm just trying to lay down, but it ain't nothing better. I'm saying all these words, but it's deeper than a love letter. And then I saw your face, you had a broken smile.
Yeah, shout out to Young Slim all the way from Australia. Yeah. All right. When we wrote this song called "Struggling," I think we look at the situations that we are facing as a country, which is obviously it's a lockdown. So I'm gonna talk about my verse because when I wrote it, I remember that in my mind there was a lot of things happening. So I'm just gonna mention two. Those things, number one, as a teenager or as someone who's growing up, it's so tough that you just face some difficulties, but then again, you're looking at how much you're struggling. And secondly, I looked at lockdown as a motivation for myself and that I could just pull out some hard work. That's why we wrote it under our newest EP called Giado.
Album out everywhere, all digital platforms, Apple Music, including Spotify, Deezer, even like YouTube,
Like my iTunes, obviously.
Thank you very much.